Yes, good morning. Okay, today we have our patient who has done Smart FUE with Dr. Jas in Glojas with Dr. Ali. Okay, he has done about 2000 grafts. He did his procedure yesterday. He is Mr. Ram. He's 27 years old. And how was the procedure, Mr. Ram?
The procedure was fine. It was less painful than I expected. As everybody expects that it's painful and all, but it wasn't. I was given local anesthesia to suppress the pain and everything. So, yeah, less painful than I expected. Yeah, I was fully awake. The doctor was communicating with me through all the process that he was doing. So it was quite comfortable for me.
So what made you choose Glojas to do your hair transplant here?
Yeah, me and my parents were researching about the places that we could go, and we saw that this place was the best, providing the best hair transplants. And the doctor had so many interviews on Facebook and YouTube and everything, so we could fully understand that everything that was going through and in the process and everything that was going through in the clinic. So we decided to come here.